Welcome, here I've got Nokia XR20 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are, now we can start recording this kind of video by using the big button at the center, the shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. This is only an example, maybe let me give more space to my camera. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. Let's move back to this view. To see the video we have to tap to the right button at the bottom that follows us straight to the gallery, and now we can play it by tapping on the center. As you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.